If you've activated the recipe plugin, that's fine, but you'll need to deactivate it for now. Just like our themes, we want to set up settings for our plugin after activation. Inside the main plugin file, let's add some sections first. Here are the 4 sections that we'll make: Setup, Includes, Hooks, and Shortcodes. Under the Hooks section, we're going to call a function called register_activation_hook. This function is a special kind of hook made specifically for plugins. This function will be called when our plugin is activated. This function has 2 parameters. The first parameter is the path to our plugin. We could use some built-in functions to get the path, but there's actually a simpler way of doing this. PHP provides a constant named _file_. This constant will always point to the file it's used in. The second parameter is the name of the function that will execute. We'll call this r_activate_plugin. Just like last time, I'll be prefixing our variables, functions, and anything else with r_ to prevent collisions with other plugins and themes. Let's define this function now. Create a folder called includes, and within this folder, create a file called activate.php. Within this file, define our function and make sure it includes from within the main plugin file. Once again, we're going to check if the current WordPress installation has the required minimum version to run this plugin. Do you remember how to do that? Pause the video and try to do it yourself. If you haven't figured out how to do it, no worries. We'll go over it together. So inside our activation function, we're going to use a conditional statement. Inside this conditional statement, let's call the version_compare function. Just like last time, we're going to use the blog info function and get the version. The second parameter is 4.2, which will be the minimum version required. Lastly, we'll use the less than operator. This will basically check if the current version is less than the minimum required version. If it is, then we don't want to activate this plugin. So we'll use the wp_die function and output the following message: you must update WordPress to use this plugin. Make this string translatable. The text domain this time will be recipe. Alright, so activate your plugin and you should be able to without any errors. Now we can start developing our plugin. We'll be revising this function later to create some settings, but for now, we'll leave it as is.